What's the meaning of albion? Albion. 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 Albion.
Albion is a word that originated in ancient times, most likely from the pre-Roman inhabitants of Britain, and has been used to refer to Great Britain or England throughout history. The term has been used in literature, music, and popular culture. In essence, Albion is a symbolic name for a nation and its people. It represents the rich cultural heritage, traditions, and identity of a land that has undergone centuries of change and development. Today, Albion remains a powerful symbol of national pride and identity for many people.